Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and in this episode we will be learning the quickest and easiest way to tie a double diamond knot. Now, a quick disclaimer, this knot, while it looks very similar to a double diamond knot, it is structurally different in that it's a single strand diamond knot that has been doubled up. I'll do a quick comparison of the two at the end of the video, so if you're looking for an easier and quicker way to tie a double diamond knot, this video is definitely for you. Also, if you're enjoying the content on this channel and want to support this channel directly, there's a link to my Patreon page for awesome perks like exclusive videos and Discord, all for the super low price of $3 per month. So that being said, let's get into it. To start off, I've got my piece of paracord, and I'm going to loop the midpoint onto my pocket tool here, and then put both terminal ends through the loop, making a cow's hitch. Notice that the strand on the bottom is slightly longer than the other. You don't have to do this, but it will help a little bit when tying the knot. Then, working with both strands, make a counterclockwise loop with the working ends laying on top. Then bring the cords back, laying them on top of the first loop, making this sort of pretzel shape. From there, bring the terminal ends behind the standing ends and to the right. Then with the running ends, you're going to go over, under, and under the two sets of loops that are laying on top of each other. And here with my knotter's tool, I just want to point out the path of the cords that you are taking. Finally, to finish the knot, put both running ends through the opening in the middle from the front to the back. From there, you're going to start tightening the knot. The key to this step is that you're going to start bending the strands you tied towards the standing ends. Do this as you pull on the working ends to tighten the knot. Complete the tightening process by working the slack out. Using a knotter's tool or marlin spike is especially helpful when pulling on two strands at once. You can also shape the knot by rolling it in between your fingers as you tighten it. So once the double diamond knot is tied, you can leave it as is, or in this case, I'm going to tie a few snake knots to finish the lanyard. I'm going to make a loop with my left strand going around the right strand, and then take the right strand around the left and put it through the loop on the right and tighten the knot. I'm going to make 3 snake knots to complete the look of this lanyard. With that done, I'm going to clip off the excess cords, melt with my lighter, and then press down on them with my knotter's tool. So there we have it, an alternate way to tie a double diamond knot. And here's a quick comparison between this version and the true double diamond knot. As you can see, it does look very similar, although structurally different. And the main difference is where the two strands go in and out of the knot. A reasonable facsimile that I would argue is much easier to tie. So guys, let me know what you think of this technique for the double diamond knot. Do you like it? Do you not like it? If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you didn't, hit the dislike. Also, let me know what you think in the comments down below. That being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials as well as our Discord server, feel free to check out my Patreon page, link in the video cards as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.